Have you ever wanted to explain four key ideas in one clean and stylish slide? But every time your audience's focus get lost between all the boxes and text? Well, not anymore. In this video, I will show you how to create a beautiful four-quadrant infographic where each section zoom in one by one using the morph transition. No animation, no hyperlinks, just pure PowerPoint magic. Let's get started. Go to Shape, select Diamond, hold Shift and draw a perfect diamond. Go to Shape Outline, select No Outline. Now, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl Shift, drag it and change its color from Shape Fill. Select both diamond, group them. Then, go to Align and align middle. Align center, duplicate this pair and rotate left 90 degrees. Now, align them again to the center and middle and ungroup. Next, change diamond colors. Each one can have a unique color for a more balanced design. Now, insert icons for each quadrant. I am using vehicle icons here just as an example, but you can use any set that matches your presentation topic. Resize all icons. Change their color to white and place one in the middle of each diamond. That's it, your base infographic is ready. Now, let's make it interactive using Morph. Duplicate the first slide. On this second slide, select the top diamond, increase its size to 6.5 cm into 6.5 cm and align center. Add a text box beside it. Write your explanation or key message and adjust the color to match your theme. Also add a subtitle. Now go back to the first slide, copy the top diamond and its icon, duplicate the second slide, delete the top diamond and icon there and paste the copy one, then send to back. Next, select the second quadrant, increase its size to 6.5 cm into 6.5 cm and align middle. Adjust your text box and make sure to slightly change the text number or wording so PowerPoint recognizes it as a different object for a smooth morph effect. Repeat the same process for the third and fourth quadrants, each time duplicating the previous slide. Copy the next diamond from the first slide and enlarging it with new text box and color. Finally, duplicate the first slide again and move it to the last position. So, the animation resets back to the original infographic view. Now, select all your slides, go to Transition, Apply Morph, and that's it. When you play the slideshow, you will see each quadrant beautifully zoom in and out, creating a clean, modern, interactive effect with zero manual animation. And that's how you create an interactive four-quadrant infographic using just more transition in PowerPoint. Simple, smooth, and perfect for any professional presentation. If you found this tutorial helpful, Hit like and subscribe to Akshrika tutorials for more creative PowerPoint tricks and presentation design ideas. See you in the next video.